Assalamu alaikum class 9th. Today we are going to explain the distinguishing characteristics of five kingdoms. Distinguishing characteristics mean these are the characteristics which differentiate the kingdoms among them. That is how the Munira differ from the Protista, how the Protista they differ from Panjai, and in the same way how the Plantai they differ from the Animalia. How they differ from the features or the characteristics. We will discuss cell type, we will discuss nuclear envelope, either it is present or not present. We will discuss the cell wall of all the five kingdoms, and also we will discuss the mode of nutrition, and then the multicellularity. Either the kingdom Munira they contain the multicellular or they are the unicellular. First of all, kingdom Munira. Cell type kingdom Munira. What is the cell type in kingdom Munira? It is the prokaryotic. What is the cell type of Protista? It is the eukaryotic. And what is eukaryotic? The cell which contain the definite nucleus, or which contain the nuclear which is prominent, and the nucleus which has the nuclear envelope is called as a definite nucleus. So the Protista, these are the cells which has the nuclear envelope. So we will then point out that the nuclear envelope is present in the Protista, nuclear envelope is absent in the kingdom Munira. In the same way, nuclear envelope it is present in the fungi as well as Protista, and as well as in the plantae and animal. Only the nuclear envelope is absent only in the kingdom Munira, because the kingdom Munira they contain the prokaryotic cells, and the prokaryotic cell has no nuclear envelope, that is no nuclear membrane, that is no nuclear definite nucleus which is prominent. No definite nucleus is present in kingdom Munira, while nuclear envelope, that is a definite nucleus, is present in the Protista, fungi, plantae and Animalia. In the same way, we will discuss then the characteristic, that is the cell wall. Cell wall in kingdom Munira, the cell wall is non-cellulose, while in kingdom Protista the cell wall has various forms of types, while in fungi the cell wall is composed of chitin, and in plantae the cellulose and the other polysaccharides. Cell wall is composed of cellulose and other polysaccharides. So and kingdom Animalia the cell wall is absent. Exactly, the cell wall is absent in the Animalia kingdom, because the Animalia has no cell wall, and cell wall is the distinguishing characteristics of the plants, fungi, Protista and Munira, that is cell wall is present in them, but in Animalia kingdom the cell wall is absent. At the same time, we will then explain the feature mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition, kingdom Munira, it is autotroph or heterotroph, while kingdom Protista has a combination of autotroph as well as heterotroph, that is photosynthesis is also present, and heterotrophic mode of nutrition is also present. In fungi, it is absorptive mode of nutrition, and I have explained absorptive mode of nutrition in kingdom fungi, while I will teaching the five kingdoms. And in kingdom plantae, the photosynthesis process is mode of nutrition, and you know already that photosynthesis is the process in which the inorganic substances they combine in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and they form the glucose or food plus oxygen. While kingdom Animalia they take their food from the other plants or from the other organisms, either from the plants or either from the animals. The last characteristic which has been discussed, it is the multicellularity. That is multicellular. The kingdom Monera is prokaryotic, so it is mostly contain the unicellular, while Protista, it also contain the unicellular types of organisms, while fungi, plantae and animals, they contain the multicellular organisms. So this is all about the distinguishing characteristics of five kingdoms.